Well, I saw your question about section 1.5, number 8. You got a sheet of metal, you're cutting 6 inches out of each corner. You're going to fold it up here along this line, and make a box out of it. The volume of it's given as 1,050 cubic inches. Formula for volume of box is length times width times height. Volume given is 1,050. We need the length and the width and the height. And so the length of the width of the metal, I called it W. The width of the box, you don't cut 6 inches out here and another 6 inches. You're cutting out 6 inches on each side. The width of the box is going to be this here, which will be W minus 12. Now we're told the length is 30 more than the width, so length would be W plus 30. Again, we're cutting 6 out here and 6 out here, so you take away 12 from that, so W plus 18 would be the length of the box. So I put the length is W plus 18 and the width of the box is W minus 12. I notice I could divide both sides by 6, just makes the numbers easy, a lot smaller. Need to fold this. So I fold it, subtract 175, we come back to this, and then you need a factor. This leads to negative answers, which we need to disregard, and this one leads to 17 inches, and then that's for the width, and the length's 30 more, so it'd be 47 for the length. Hope this helps.